Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's still Tezza here, and today we're going to be doing how to highlight and contour with easy technique. So let's dive right into this tutorial. Going in with Gold Firming Foundation Primer from Kalia Beauty, and this is what it looks like when swatched. So it's very silky, and at the same time it acts as a moisturizer, so it's 2-in-1, a moisturizer and also a foundation primer. So I'm just gently adding a few drops onto my face, and I'm just massaging it gently. Make sure everything absorbs into your skin so that it's going to be very effective. So I'm just massaging the product onto my face, and I'm drying it quickly using my mini hand fan. Okay, then I'm going in with a glow primer from Usher's Beauty, and this will help the other previous product to glide on properly and make your foundation pop. Like, it's going to glow from within, guys. Your foundation will be popping. It will be popping, guys. Okay, so I'm just adding a few drops onto my face, and I'm still massaging like the previous technique. Make sure you use your hand for this. You're not using a brush, you're not using a beauty blender, you're just using your middle fingers to massage the product onto your face. So this will make your foundation glide easily. And this is from L'Oreal in Deep Cool. It's my all-time favorite foundations. You guys will see more of it on here. Like, it will look like, is this the only foundation I have? But no, I have other foundations, but L'Oreal and MAC are my favorite. Like, you guys should peep that glow. Just peep that glow, guys. And can you see how easy it is to blend out your foundations just because your base or your skin prep is very good? So skin prep is very essential. Before any other thing, you moisturize, you prime your face, then you set your primer. But I really don't like setting my primer because sometimes it becomes cakey. It makes my foundation becomes cakey. It depends on the moisturizer actually. So I'm just going in with my angled brush, which I got from Jumia also. It's like in a mini set. So I'm just going to use the foundation to clean the top of my brows. This step is actually optional, guys, but I love cleaning it so as to make my eyebrows very clean and sharp and crispy. So it's just going to pop on its own. Okay, so let me just stop talking at this point and see you guys towards the end of my video, guys. Okay, keep watching. So loves, highlight and contour time. So I'm going in with Elegant Pro Concealer in Chestnut and Deep Cocoa. I'm actually using Chestnut right now to highlight under my eyes, those areas specifically in which light will touch and bounce back in order to make it pop. Those are the areas in which you highlight, which is under your eyes, like you can see right now. And I'm adding more concealer in order to give me full coverage around those areas in which I have some flaws. My forehead, bridge of my nose, my pubic bone, and now I'm just contouring using dark cocoa. It's actually the darkest shade so far in the Elegant family, and I'm just using it to contour my cheeks, and I'm going to do that to the other side of my face also. As you can see, I'm adding more products in order to give it more intensity. Then I'm going to contour the hollow part of my face in order to frame it and make it more narrower. So I'm just going in with setting spray from Urban Decay in order to set everything in and lock it up, you know, so it's not going to shake, it's not going to move an inch throughout the day. So yeah, guys, I'm just using my fan in order to let it dry down. Okay, and now it's time to blend. Yes, blend it all out. So I'm just using the pointy part in order to blend out the highlight, and use the other bigger part of the beauty blender to blend out the contour, as you can see. So I'm going to blend out the contour and smoothen it all out, like all the way out, in order to give it that sharp line, guys. Can you see? I'm just gently dabbing it into my skin. I am not dragging any product, because if you drag your product, it's going to move along with you. Okay, so you don't want to drag any product. And I'm just using the remaining product on the beauty blender to act as a base in which my eyeshadow is going to sit on. So I'm doing the same thing to the other side of my face, and that's basically what you have to do. Keep dabbing the product onto your face. As you can see on the bridge of my nose, I'm just dabbing towards my forehead in order to blend out the highlight. And now I'm just blending the remaining part of my contour on the perimeters of my face. Guys, I hope you're enjoying this tutorial at this point. Please, what are you waiting for? Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so you get notified each time I post a new video. I'm definitely going to drop in more tutorials on my YouTube channel, guys. Please support your girl. And yeah, so I'm just doing a reverse contour right here. As you can see, I'm using the bigger side of the beauty blender to smoothen it all out, guys. Can you see? Can you see how that highlight is pumping, guys? That's why it's good not to skip your skin prep. Like, it's very essential, guys. It makes every other product you apply to your face glide on easily. So today, if you are not taking anything out from this video, check out the 3-step of skin prep. You moisturize, you prime, and you set your primer. Okay, depending on the products, actually, like I said. So I'm just contouring my nose. You know, we have to snatch that baby up, guys. Let's snatch it up, snatch it up. So I'm going in with Black Hawk face palette, and I'm just using that to set the highlight of my face and set my already contoured areas. As you can see, I'm going to switch brushes very soon. Why am I switching brushes? Because fluffy brushes are the best to set your highlights, like your highlight and your contour. It just helps that powder to absorb deeply into your skin. Instead of using a face powder, you can also use a setting powder or a translucent setting powder. There are two different things: the setting powder, which everyone knows, and the translucent setting powder. They're all really nice. Basically, all are nice depending on how you apply it, but me, I use anyone depending on my mood. Okay, so I'm just setting the contour area of my face using the darkest shade. It's actually not as pigmented as I thought, but yeah. Okay, so I'm going in with mineralized compact face powder to set all the areas of my face in which any powder hasn't really touched, you know, to avoid it from creasing. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. The last step is just for you to set your face. Will I say set? Basically to add glow. Like, once I get to this point of makeup, oh Lord, thank you Jesus. Okay, guys, so I'm just setting my face, and I think I lost the footage of setting spray. So after this, you just pedal it down using a setting spray, and that's it, guys. That's my updated highlight and contour routine. Can you see the skin glow, guys? So thank you for watching, and see you in my